Hey you guys, today I'm going to do a whole bunch of different unboxings and unbaggings. I just want to get all this done, kind of like batch film or whatever, and then move on. Anyway, we're going to start with this Walmart beauty box. I have another one coming. I get 2 of them because sometimes they're different. They send these out 4 times a year. So like with the seasons, they'll send you a new one. They're $5 a piece plus tax. So this is the one subscription that I keep. So this is what the inside of the box looks like this time. Get a little pamphlet, and these are all of the different options. I'm not gonna look at it. I don't want to spoil it for myself. I'm gonna look at it. It does give you the value. So take the tissue paper off. These are the products in the box. So let's start off with this one because I see the word glitter. It's the Hard Candy Glitteratsy Crystal Lip Duo. This is already going to be a pass, I can tell. This is not my kind of thing. I'm not even going to open it. The shade is Crushed Crimson. And then we have some Impress nails. These already have the glue tabs on the back, so I will not be using these. I'm going to pass these on too. If they didn't have the tabs on the back already, I would keep them and just use my red aspen glue to glue them on. But these are really, really hard to get off if you use the glue tabs. The glue stays, the tabs just stay, and I'm not about to mess with that. They are very pretty though. You see the bottom ones have like that shattered mirror kind of look to them. They're pretty. Somebody else will get use out of them. They've been sending, next thing in the box, they've been sending these Liquid IV samples a lot. They're fine. It's just a little electrolyte, you know, make sure you're staying hydrated kind of a thing. And then next we have this in a little pouch. It is Find Your Happy Place Under the Starlit Sky hand sanitizer, chamomile and sandalwood. See if it has a seed. Nope. Yeah, I can definitely smell the sandalwood. I'm not a fan of sandalwood, but I will keep this in the car because I always need hand sanitizer. So then we have a shampoo and conditioner set. I'm assuming the brand is Monday. This is the Smooth I'm for Frizzy and Dull Hair shampoo and conditioner. SLS free, paraben free, and cruelty free. They're 1.69 fluid ounces each. Let's get a whiff. They don't really have a scent at all. Then we have a little sample of Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream, 72-hour hydration with cactus water, vegan. And then there's the Leaping Bunny on the front, so there's that. This weightless water cream is comprised of 90% naturally derived ingredients for intense hydration that lasts for 72 hours. Supercharged with electrolyte-rich, true clean cactus water and ultra-hydrating hyaluronic acid for softer, smoother skin. Absorbs quickly and evenly, clinically proven to lock in hydration for days. All right. So that'll just be something I can test out for. I could probably get a couple uses out of that. So anyway, that's everything that was in the box. I will calculate and pop up the value of the box on the screen for you. I'm pretty sure these are well over the $5 cost of the box. So there's that. That'll just be something, like I've said before, me, my sisters, and our mom, we collect stuff throughout however long it is, and then we'll get together and we'll just kind of do a big swap. So that'll be fun. And then whenever I get my other box, I will show you my other box and see if it's any different. Okay, so it has been a few days and my second Walmart box finally came in. So we're gonna open this one and see if it's any different. The code on it is different than the first one. Probably should have just gotten scissors for this. You guys are gonna see what's in it same time, like kind of before me. Okay, let's see. I see some different things and I am excited. We're gonna do this with my left hand because I moved over here for this reason. The Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. This is a travel size. I see something from NYX. It's the NYX Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pencil. It says clear on top. It's really clear. Maybe like a brow wax or something. We'll try that out here in just a second. I already have brow stuff in clearly, but another liquid IV thing. They really love to throw these in. Another sample of the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream 72-hour hydration. I tried this the other day. It kind of comes out like a silicone primer, but then it turns into like a water gel when you rub it in. And then we have Not Your Mother's Smooth Moves Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner. So it's 5 times smoother hair. We have I need some lotion. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion. I like that they put some things in little bags. And then we have this from Revlon. Let me open it. Stay Satin Ink in the shade My Own Boss. Yes, I am. I dropped it. It has a weird texture. I don't know if it's separated in the tube. It's a pretty color. So, anyway. I will try to pop up the values of things on the screen. I may not, since the box is only $5 to begin with. I will leave a referral link down below. Walmart does not know who I am. Anyone who subscribes to these things, you can get a referral link. So yeah, I will leave that down below if you're interested in signing up for the Walmart Beauty Box. Again, they send them out 4 times a year. They're seasonal boxes. I get 2. They used to specifically have like a trendsetter and a classic box or something like that, and they were like geared toward different types, obviously. And I don't think they do that anymore, but I still keep the 2 boxes, and most of the time I get different stuff. Sometimes there will be a little bit of overlap, but that's fine with me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.